How to verify your ID on Upwork. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can verify your ID on Upwork. Now I'm on the official support page of the Upwork, so here is a quick tip. As you can see, it says we'll let you know when it's time for you to earn the identity verified badge or re-verify your identity by emailing you and by notifying you when you log into your Upwork account. So if you need a verification, if the ID verification is needed, you'll automatically be shown, the pop-up will be shown when you log into your account. There you can either use government ID, location for US only jobs, and then government ID and location, visual and phone number for the verification. Before you begin, you'll have to make sure that you are ready to verify your identity. What you'll have to require is a valid government issued ID. As you can see, the country on your Upwork profile should match the country of your ID. Make sure your Upwork profile photo is yourself and accurately represents your current appearance. Make sure the names on your withdrawal method, tax information, and tax forms match the name on your ID. Upwork will use the name on the identity documents you give them as your verified name. If your name mismatches, you'll have to contact the support. So you'll have to capture any emails and you'll have to capture your government ID as well. Take the photo of the ID from above with the ID lying on a flat dark surface. Don't cover up any part of the ID on your face, and leave margins on all sides of the image. Don't use a flash. So if the verification is needed, the Upwork will send you an email, or when you log into your account, the pop-up will appear. You can head into that pop-up, which will redirect you to the verification page, where you'll have to enter in your credentials and submit in your credentials your government issued ID and such. So this way you can verify ID on Upwork. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.